In this video we will discuss about technology is changing insurance for the better. Do you know that technology evolves exponentially? Operations abilities of new systems keep getting better and faster, thus making a tremendous impact on almost every industry out there. Insurance is no means an expectations that can now you can make smarter and more accurate decisions based on tech induced insights. Take China for example, as 60% of local life insurance report a larger profit, mostly due to the overwhelming influence of the state of the art tools and platforms. But how exactly is technology changing insurance for the better? If you are interested in learning it, powerful data analysis. People leave tons of digital traces online, but insurance agents cannot interpret it manually. This is where data science steps in to accurate and analyze massive information sources. Modern data analytics tools don't take more than a few seconds to digest and interpret complex databases, so you can bring data driven discussion. According to the report, the implementation of big data has resulted in 30% better access to insurance services, 40 to 70% cost saving, and 60% higher fraud detections rates. Client related insights are at the root of life insurance, which is exactly why data science plays such a major role today. Chatbots for customer services. The life insurance industry relies heavily on chatbots, also known as robo-advisors. What is the chatbot? It is simple a computer program developed with the purpose of communicating with human users. You can see chatbots almost everywhere these days. For the best to e-commerce websites. The concept of extremely important for insurance companies because it serves as a digital sales agent that guides potential clients through the website quickly and smoothly. Besides that, health analysis with variables. The easiest way for insurance companies to obtain information and understand life expectations is simply to ask consumers to wear special devices. It is the latest data accumulation technique to eliminate misunderstandings and simplifies decisions making processes. For instance, a simple tool such as the smartwatch is able to monitor a person's health condition and keep the insurance company informed about heart rates, BMI, blood pressure, and lots of other parameters. A client doesn't have to accept wearing a special gadget, but he can earn a unique discount for grading. Comparison engines. Customers in need of life insurance have a long way to go, but the search for a perfect offer is much shorter if they take advantage of the so-called comparison engines. The idea is simple. You can use an online platform to compare different policies rather than searching for the right agency one by one. Simplification of underwriting. Technology is also making a substantial impact on underwriting. In Change of Insurance and Businesses explain that standards underwriting techniques are fairly reliable, but they take too much time and budget. In such circumstances, it is very surprising to see that insurance companies started using advanced data management platform to simplify the process of underwriting. A study reveals that new data sources, platform to solve and analyze data, and fast innovative technologies to mine the data or simplify automate existing process have the potential to reduce a large and inventiveness of risk assessment, improve risk selection, and refine policy pricing. Fraud detection. Fraud detection is yet another way technology is changing insurance for the better. New systems have the power to monitor economous database, which makes them capable for identify a mitigating risk. Advanced artificial intelligence based platform keep an eye on various data sources including public health records, social network insight, insurance websites, financial reports, and internal data sources. That way, this is easier to pinpoint prudential attempts and minimize risk. Mobile powered insurance. The latest reports show that there are over 3.5 billion smartphone users in the world today, which grants insurance companies access to almost half of the global population. What can they do with it? First of all, insurance system can capture previous user related information. Secondly, mobile marketing focuses on individual clients and hence boosts user engagement. And thirdly, it's easy to send trusted messages to remind customers of the latest updates or payments.